parts have arrived. Today's episode, first on the cold air intake. LEDs, lights, and much more. So we're gonna do a rundown on the price. On the car itself, we spent $700. $500 on the starter, wires, spark plugs, and other things, honestly, etc. $350 on little Amazon parts, intake, lights, little gadgets, little things. Amazon. And then the mystery number, which is question mark. These are the little upgrades that we're doing. Using Facebook Market to keep the budget down, as well as doing little modifications ourselves. Let's check out these new parts. So, these are the headlights. Black housing. Oh, pretty nice. Paired them up with some LED lights for the headlights, which I'm trying to put in now. Let's see how these turn out. Put them in. Don't know how hard they are to change these headlights on the Mustangs. Not really familiar with them. We're gonna give it a shot. There has to be something to hold it into place. Can't just be sitting, floating around and stuff. There we go. That looks better. Okay, so that'll be like that. The bulbs have an up label. It's pretty cool, so I guess with that, lock them in. I really wanted the purple bulbs, but no one has them, so I might have to settle with tinting for these LED bulbs in the future, which I might do because I really like them. I've been waiting for the most. This little antenna. Taking out this ugly long antenna, placing it with this one. That looks better. Instantly looks better. Intake time. Get rid of this nasty 90s. Taking off the old intake was as simple as undoing some hose clamps, taking out some rubber hoses, taking out the mass airflow sensor, the filter box. See, I split it apart, very dirty. And then I got the intake boot, and there's me reassembling the new metal one. That flower back in there. The plastic. Those got broken. Original intake. Okay. Going like that. It's not as simple as I thought it would be. To get some extra hoses, I also have to figure out how I'm gonna custom put the idle air control valve. Because the one that's on the aftermarket one is nothing like the original one. The piece doesn't fit in there, so I'm gonna make my own. Update on the car. So I took out this mat, I unplugged it, so the mat is plugged in, and then I unplugged it. After I unplugged it, the car revs all the way to 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 RPM. Safe to say is that I need a new MAF sensor. Got Gaston, he's working on the intake. Where's Trini at though? Oh, there's Trini. Making fun of me for buying extra parts. I bought the same thing twice.
Honestly, I should have did that because I didn't buy nothing and nothing came.
Yeah, he didn't even prep. By the way, we're going to, what's that event called?
Impact.
We're going to Impact. So that's for tomorrow morning. Honestly, there's no instructions.
Nah, but how was it in before, factory-wise?
How's it laying factory-wise?
So it was down.
Factory. Nothing here was factory. How's your car? How's the factory stuff in your car?
It was lovely.
There's nothing there. This goes here. And then like this. Trying to put this on, buddy.
Yeah. Showing the jerry rig.
Jerry rig.
MacGyver.
It's improvising. Improvising? I don't know.
It's called getting it done.
I don't think this is called nothing. This is called backwards. Perfect. Machine moving. That's all you guessing. Wow. Yeah. We're waking up at 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning. What time?
I was up at 5 in the morning today.
So you ready for that tomorrow?
Yep.
I think it's right here. Yeah, buddy. Take the night. 21. Start it up. Didn't die. Let me see. Let me see. I don't think it died.
I think you're tying it enough.
It didn't die. You were overthinking there, buddy.
It's not going up. It's gonna hurt.
This side, you got his tires back.
Finger room seat. I love 42 BBSs. Go, pit stop. Let's go, pit stop. NASCAR pit stop. Let's go, let's go.
We failed already. We're past 30 seconds. What you got?
Take it out and put it back in. Take it out. Good, take it out.
He's tightening them. I think there's 3 bulbs, so I think I kind of messed up. And I'm just gonna just change the parking light and the signal one.
That's what I'm thinking, but let me check.
Probably like a hidden one over in the back.
No.
Think you got it now? Still? Oh, there you go. Changing out these bulbs.
The name on the plate. Thank you, thank you.
Put it on, test it.
Tire Slayer.
Tire Slayer.
Good one. Since I seen it, I brought it.
I thought it was a real plate.
Now people thought it was a real plate. They be asking me, but how'd you get that?
I thought I first looked at it.
I wish Jersey had some fire plates.
There you go. Push us while there's a car coming? Who's coming over there? What's coming? Oh, Trinity coming. And I think we're ready to go. Let's go, boys. actually. It's doing pretty good. It's driving like nothing. I just did a little bit of maintenance and now it's good. You said the what? Alright. All the German cars, but I got the American. That's alright. It's a little scary on this road. Sounds good. Should've spit that shit.
You green light, you have a sticker?
No.
Let me get you a sticker.
Thank you very
You got
much.
it.
Gotta catch traction. About to leave the racetrack at the next little meet. My car has a problem with the coolant temperature or level or something, just keeps it throwing up a light. But it was running good, didn't get high at all. Happy for the ride back. Nice 200 miles. We'll make it, got faith.